Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com Real Traders Club live session on Thursday, May 11th, 2023. All right, got some economic news and the market is responding. And it's down. Dow is down 1.15%, 384 points. S&P 500 down 0.62. And the NASDAQ down 0.17. And so the producer price index, which the Fed watches more closely than CPI, consumer price, because it's can forecast and influence CPI. So this is kind of farther up the supply chain. And overall numbers came in a little bit under the forecast. CPI year over year forecast 5% came in at 4.9. So those are good numbers. And then also the to the right one, forecast at 0.3 came in at 0.2 under the forecast again. And unemployment claims came in a little bit higher. Now, nobody's cheering anybody losing their job, but it does point to a cooling job market. So both of these things support the Fed at least taking a pause in their interest rate hike campaign, having raised it the last 10 times in that. And often in 3/4 point bumps. So I think that's overall good news, but the market's down. And part of that, Disney earnings were not good. And, they're losing money on streaming. They raised the price, they lost subscribers, but they didn't lose as much. Kind of a mixed picture. PacWest Regional Bank tumble. Deposits fell 9.5% last week. So people pulling their money out. And for some of these banks, that's a bigger deal than their actual financial strength, is just a lack of confidence. And people withdrawing money. Jamie Dimon, panic will overtake the markets as U.S. approaches the debt default. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I have a feeling there'll be lots of drama, lots of hand waving and wrangling, and they'll ultimately probably make some kind of deal. They always have. All right, so that's the kind of the backdrop of the news affecting the financial markets. Go to the chart. S&P 500 daily chart. We had drawn this wedge. Yesterday we had a breakout. We did take a long on the leveraged S&P 500, and a little pullback today. I think it's taken us back about where we entered it. We entered it during a pullback there, so we'll see. So far, again, the economic news is pretty good. Maybe just a little profit taking, a little concern about the debt ceiling thing, and of course, the PPI numbers came in good. So that is the backdrop, and I think all attention, those are the major reports for now. So, whatever developments there are on the debt ceiling situation will have people's attention. So that is what it is. And that is the market overview. Pretty short, pretty sweet. And I'd say in a pullback, but I think the stage is set for it to go higher, and we are positioned for that.